Hi everyone and welcome to my channel about concrete decor. Today I'm finally ready to share with you my project that I've been prepared for a while, making my own kitchen tiles from white concrete. I tried a different method before, you can see it on my channel, but the shape and material didn't meet my expectations. So now I'm ready to show you the new result. So here is my before. I didn't like the color, it was a bit dull, and this is the after. Fresh, authentic and unique. The inspiration was Norwegian nature, its forest, fields, sea and cliffs. That's why I used shades of green, blue, gray and yellow in different tones. Why I decided to create the tiles from concrete? I think for me concrete has its pluses and minuses. For me it's incredibly durable and a creative and very unique way to decorate my place, my apartment. So in this video I want to share with you all pros and cons of this process, and I hope you'll be inspired to create your own tiles. To cast concrete, we need a mold. I found a used ceramic floor tile at a thrift store. Its size matched my desired tile height, so I bought it as a template. Then I ordered liquid silicone for molding. I mix it according to the instructions, poured it around the tile, and made sure it was 100 sealed. Otherwise, the silicone can leak. I learned this the hard way. It leaked into cracks and I had to transfer the mold into a baking tray. Lesson learned. Now I have a workable silicone mold, which isn't perfect, but it does the job. I poured 25 tiles using this mold. In previous video about concrete tiles, I experimented a lot with the classic gray cement, and when I added the pigments and colors, I wasn't not very satisfied with the result. It was too dark for my kitchen. So that's why I decided to switch to white concrete. It's actually a way stronger than normal concrete. You can find it at a regular craft store. It's often used for making various decorative items and is known for its fast setting and durable properties. I also ordered pigments to mix into it and create the shades I needed. First, I mixed uncolored concrete with water and filled the first layer. It all gets covered later, so no need to make it pigmented. Then I mixed concrete with pigments using 2-3 tones of the same color, like dark, medium, light green or blue. Too many colors can make the tile look too busy, so I mixed carefully. I poured layers from darkest to lightest, shaking the mold after each pour to blend the colors and eliminate air bubbles. The design is chaotic and random. I loved experimenting with different pouring techniques. After 24 hours, I removed the tile from the mold. Beautiful result. I repeated this process to make 25 custom tiles. And this is where things got tricky. Casting 25 tiles took several months. I had only one mold. If you want to go faster, make multiply silicone molds. One more small tip I can give you is to first try pouring a few small samples to get a feel for the technique you'll be using, so that your tile patterns come out more consistent. Also, try not to experiment too much with colors. I used 4 pigments, green, blue, black and yellow, mixing them with each other. Another challenge, cutting custom tile shapes. I didn't want dust from cutting, so I used cardboard molds sealed with tape and hot glue. I made 4 irregular shapes this way. Next, sealing the tiles. Concrete absorbs moisture and stains, so I needed a durable finish. There are special glazes and vinyl coatings that gives a semi-matte brightness. After discussing with my husband, we decided on a super gloss finish achieved with clear lacquer. It gives a slight ochre tone that beautiful ties the colors together, plus makes them easy to clean and adds a luxurious shine. After the lacquer dried, it was time to install. I first cleaned the wool and applied a primer to improve adhesion. Left it to dry for 20-30 minutes. Then I mixed the adhesive according to package instruction, not too runny, not too stiff, and added plastic spacers between tiles and between the last tile and the countertop. I was nervous placing the first tile, but after watching lots of YouTube tutorials, I found it easy and fun. To be honest, I don't really have any professional advice on how to install tiles on a wall, but after watching lots of videos on YouTube, I realized that the simplest and cleanest way is to apply tile adhesive directly onto the tile and make sure to press it firmly against the wall. Overall, it actually turned out to be a very easy task. Our floors and countertop aren't perfectly level, so I had to adjust carefully, but here's the result 24 hours later. Beautiful and clean. And finally, I used dark turquoise grout to fill the gaps, adding brightness and contrast. I used tape for neat lines. Once the grout dried, I sealed the edge between tile and countertop with silicone for moisture protection. Look how diverse, beautiful, and unique the tiles are, and how well they suit our kitchen. I'm over the moon that I created this with my own hands, already planning a similar design in our bathroom. Stay tuned.